Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melli and today I'm going to show you how I'm doing a plum cake. This plum cake is very delicious. It's like all my recipes, gluten-free, vegan, without soy, without corn and without refined sugar. And remember, all the ingredients of this recipe and the exact measurements you will find below this video. Just check it out. And now let's get started. For the yeast dough we first make some pre-dough. To do this we dissolve the yeast in some of our water, add some honey and stir the whole thing. Then we place the bowl in a place that is approximately 30 degrees warm. We add all the ingredients except of the vegan butter to the pre-dough. Oat flour, whole grain rice flour, millet flour, potato flour, tapioca flour, psyllium flour, ground golden linseed, salt, a little mashed potato, maple syrup, lemon juice and the rest of the warm water. Then we mix everything together until all the ingredients have combined well. This may take several minutes. If you like my channel, feel free to subscribe. I'll be very happy. Feel free to leave a comment, share and like me. When the mixture looks like something like this, add the melted butter and knead it until the dough can be formed into a soft ball. The dough must then rise for an hour around 30 degrees, covered with a damp cloth. Meanwhile, we prepare the plums. We pit them, halve them or quarter them. If you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a new video. After an hour, the yeast dough looks like this. It has become significantly larger and has developed many blisters. Look at this. We oil our springform pan well and sprinkle it with flour. My mold has a diameter of 24 centimeters. Then we spread all the dough with our hands on the tray with the help of a little flour. We also form a small border so that the juice from the plums does not run out during baking. Now we cover the dough with the fruit. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy. Depending on your taste, we sprinkle some coconut sugar on top. Then the crumble mixture goes on top. I'll link the description for the recipe for you here at the top right. You can also find the ingredients in the description box below this video. Before baking, we let the cake rise for another half an hour. We then take the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. After baking, we first loosen the edge of the mold and let the cake cool down completely on the tray before cutting it. If you are interested in more recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Use international subtitle if the video you choose is still in German. Soon they will be all available in English language. At the top right, we continue with gluten-free pizza that tastes like normal pizza. At the bottom right, you can watch me baking gluten-free and vegan cakes and pastries. And at the top left, you'll find fantastic recipes for gluten-free and vegan sourdough bread. See you in my next video. Bye bye!